Have you ever been to a restaurant or a store perhaps where they have a suggestion box? Now, a suggestion box is where you might write down your tips or comments for improvement in an organisation. You pop it in a box and supposedly the manager of that store or that organisation will open that up at some point, review that and work out if there's substance related to the suggestion box. If perhaps you're looking for a nice easy way for you to start thinking about how you can be more productive with your team or in your organization, one of the simplest things you can do is create a technology suggestion box. A little box that maybe you put in the lunchroom or the tea room or the office somewhere, and you have some cards there and people write down, what do you think we could do better with Word? What do you think we could do better with Excel? What do we think is a problem with email? And once a week, somebody goes and grabs that information and sits down, and even if it's on a Friday, get together as a team and discuss them. You don't need to know who put in what or who suggested what, although maybe in a small organisation you might know who said what. But what it is it's about creating a point for you to start a conversation, to start exploring what people are thinking and start to get an understanding of what people in your team or your organisation know and what they don't know. Because it's not until you work out what you actually have that you can work out what you actually need. And sometimes I find with my clients, they think they need something, but in actual fact, they need something else because they didn't know what they didn't know. I'm Donna Hanson, technology strategist, and if I can help you or your team work more efficiently and productively with Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, email, PowerPoint, etc., I'd love to help.